Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. Just got in a brand new Nautique G21 Coastal Edition. Love the color combos. This boat came together really good. Reef blue with gray. Interior matches perfectly with the sea deck. Let's jump up inside and take a look through the rest. So starting here at the stern, one of my favorite upgrades for 2020 are these rearward facing seats. Great for when you're surfing at slow speeds. You can interact with the riders. Plenty of space for a walk through here. Really cool setup on all the G models is this rearward facing seat that folds down with two sun loungers on the side. We're gonna pause here real quick. I'm gonna jump in, close this up and show you what it looks like the other way. So check this out. We just pull a couple levers here. Port side folds down into one big sun lounger. Our rear facing seat now becomes a step for easy access in and out of the boat, leaving plenty of walk around space in the middle. Coming inside, one of the best things that Nautique did with their newer generation here of G and GS models is their helm. Everything is controlled on the right hand side of the boat. Very handy. You've got your dial system that controls everything on your touchscreen. Also, like I just said, it is a touchscreen, so you can control everything on there as well. Either or, whatever you're most comfortable with. There's no features that you can't control on either side. The seat, extremely comfortable. You've got notch outs so you can spin around to look backwards. You've also got a full flip up to get a little extra height, get yourself up of the windshield if you'd like. Oversized mirror, giving you plenty of visibility. And on top of that mirror, you even have a Nautique awareness cam that's mounted up on top of the tower. This model came with the slide-in air dam that you can remove on those cold days. Kind of nice to have to block the wind. Plenty of bow seating up front. As you can see, we've got speakers and cup holders everywhere around this boat. Fantastic sound system, even a subwoofer built in the front. If you guys have any other questions on this boat or any of the other awesome Nautiques that you can see here, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email. My information is right below. Thanks.